Hi dear students, in this episode we are going to take chapter 3 data structures. In this episode we are going to learn data structures, the classification of data, general classification of data structure, then operations on data structures. Data structure is a particular way of organizing similar or dissimilar logically related data items which can processed as a single unit, and data structures do not allow the user to combine various types of data but also allow processing of group as a single unit. Data structure is a particular way of organizing similar and dissimilar elements as a single unit. We can process these unit which contains different types of elements. This is called data structure. Then general classification of data structure. Data structures are classified into simple data structure and compound data structure. Simple data structure is a combination of elements. It may be a dissimilar or similar elements. That is, we know array. Array is a collection of similar elements, and structure is a collection of dissimilar elements. These two are simple data structures. Then the next one is compound data structure. What do you mean by compound data structure? Simple data structures are combined to form compound data structure. It is divided into two types, that is linear data structure and a non-linear data structure. Linear data structure, if its elements form a sequence in memory, then it is called a linear data structure. Non-linear data structure, if its elements do not form any sequence in memory, then it is called a non-linear data structure. Here linear data structure takes continuous memory allocation, while non-linear data structure takes random memory allocation. Next one, linear data structure is classified into stack, queue and linked list, and non-linear is classified into tree and graph. Then based on memory allocation, structures are again classified into static data structure and dynamic data structure. What is static data structure? When the memory is allocated before the execution of a program, then the data structures are called static data structure. It is only associated with primary memory, and memory allocation is fixed for static data structure and the size cannot be changed during the execution. Example is array. And dynamic data structure, the memory allocation is allocated during execution time, then it is called a dynamic data structures, and the size changes according to the addition or deletion of data items. Rather, it grows and shrinks during runtime as per user's choice. Here the example is linked list. And operations on data structure, first one is traversing, that means traveling through all the elements in a data structure. Next one is searching. Searching means finding an element in a data structure. Next is inserting. Inserting a new data item into a data structure. Deleting. Deleting, removing an element from a data structure is called deleting. And sorting means arranging all the elements in ascending or descending order. Then the last one, merging. Merging is the joining two data structures in a single to form a single data structure is called the joining. These are the 6 operations that can be performed on data structure. Let's see what is traversing. Traversing is an operation in which each element of data structure is visited. The travel processed from first element to last one in the data structure. That means it travels from first element to last element. All the elements are visited at least once, then it is called a traversing. Okay, then example for traversing is, the best example is reading all the elements of an array is the best example for traversing. So traversing is the operation in which each element of data structure is visited. Next one is searching. We know finding out some elements. Searching is the process of finding the location of a particular element in a data structure. Searching may also be process of finding the locations of all elements satisfying one or more condition. Simply we can say that searching is a process of finding a memory location of a particular element, and it can be done using conditions or not without not using any condition. It implies accessing the values stored in a data structure. So searching is the process of finding locations of a particular element in a data structure. Next one is the insertion. It's the operation in which a new data is added at a particular place in a data structure. It is added in some situation there the elements in the data structure are in a particular order. The position may need to be identified first and then the insertion is to be done. If it is a sorted array, we have to find whether the new item is placed and this position is find out first, then only we can add the value. So insertion is the operation in which a new data is added at a particular place in a data structure. Then the next one is deletion. Deleting or deletion is the operation in which a particular element is removed from the data structure. A particular element is removed from the data structure. Deletion is performed either by mentioning the element itself or by specifying its position. Deletion is performed either by mentioning the element itself or by the specifying its position. So what is deletion? Simply it is a removing of an element from the data structure. Then sorting or arranging the elements in a specific order, ascending or descending order. That sorting makes searching more faster. Then sorting is the technique of arranging the elements in a specified order. It may be ascending or descending. Then the next one is merging. Merging is a process of combining elements of two sorted data structures to form a new one. So two data structures are combined to form a single data structure. Then it is called a merging. The process is called a merging. The simplest form of merging is the joining of elements of both data structures into a third empty data structure. That means we have a data structure called +1 and we have another data structure called +2. If we have to join these two, we have to create another data structure called higher secondary. Then both the values from the both data structures are copy pasted into third data structure, that is HSS, higher secondary. Okay, so merged data structure is higher secondary. Okay, it's clear. Then merging is the process of combining elements of two data structures to form a new one, that is merging. These are the 6 operations performed in data. So we have completed what is a data structure. Data structure is a particular way of organizing similar or dissimilar logically related data items which can be processed as a single unit. And then we have moved to classifications, general classifications of data structure, linear data structure, non-linear data structures, and different types of linear data structures are stack, queue, linked list, etc. Then we have moved classification on memory location, that is static memory locations and dynamic memory locations. Then we have moved operations on data structures. Operations, there are 6 operations: traversing, searching, inserting, then deleting, sorting, and merging. So, thank you dear students. Learn the topic very carefully. You got lots of marks from this area. Thank you. Thank you dear students.